protecting fire alarm systems just got a whole lot easier with extreme versatility. Ditek's DTK 120X12 is a comprehensive surge protection solution that eliminates the need and expense of installing and grounding multiple surge protection devices. In fact, it's the one and only surge protective device you may need. By offering the unique ability to protect up to 12 low-voltage circuits and 120-volt AC power, all within the same enclosure. The revolutionary DTK 120X12 is designed to utilize a single-point ground connection for fast and easy installation. It features field-replaceable modules, making replacement fast to quickly restore service. It employs Ditek's unique deflector module for visual, audible, and remote notification. It's UL listed for surge protection and EMI RFI noise filtering. And it's made in the USA by the leader in professional surge protection technology, Ditek, your first line of defense.